Hello friends, this is Barbara and I'm back with another crockpot meal. Today we're going to have rosa chicken spaghetti. I'm starting out with a tablespoon of butter, like 3 squirts of oil, 1 chopped up onion. So you don't have to brown this. I am because it tastes better. It will taste better. But otherwise, if you don't want to, you don't have to. You could just throw the ingredients in the crock pot. And hold on, that's if you want onions and mushrooms. But I think it'll be great. All right, and we just saute those. And I will be right back. Okay, I just wanted to let you know that I used the whole 8 ounces of mushrooms and a whole medium onion. Okay, in here, I think this is done enough. Okay. Okay, in the crock pot, I have a pound of chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast. This is just happened to be what I had, and I needed to do something with it, so that's why I'm doing this recipe. Okay, remember the mushrooms and onions? Let's get those in there. All right. And now we're going to take your favorite pasta sauce, and your favorite Alfredo sauce. Okay, and now with that said, what is your favorite pasta sauce? And do you have a favorite Alfredo sauce? Please put them in the comments below. I love reading your comments, and I really do try to respond to everybody. Okay, now let's get some onion powder. Measure with your hearts. Italian seasoning. And then, because I like it just a little bit spicy, we're going to go in with some red crushed pepper. It looks like I'm putting a lot in here, but I'm really not. It's so full, it can barely move on the top. Okay, there we go. Let's not forget the pepper, because I know some of y'all like some pepper. And again, and I just ran out. Wow. Okay, now we're going to put the lid on it. Turn it on high. And we are going to cook that for 3 hours on high, or we're going to cook that on 6 hours low. Okay, we're going to fetch out those tenderloins or those chicken breast. I am putting them in my chicken shredder. Wonder if I can get them all shredded at one time. It's a good sized chicken shredder. I might be able to. It might be a lot of chicken, but one more. So I'm going to try to shred all that at once. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's doing it. Yeah. Oops. Okay. And then we're just going to take it and dump it in there. You know, I try to be really careful not to like shred the chicken a lot because I don't like it really. I like the bigger pieces. Chunky? Yeah, like chunky chicken. and this is good. This is really, that's good. It's not like little tiny hairs. I don't even know how to describe it, but there it went. Okay, so actually this is done. I'm going to turn my pot to low because now right there I am getting ready to boil water. And my husband likes angel hair pasta. So he's going to get some angel hair pasta. And I put in a spaghetti squash in the oven earlier and got it out of... I made spaghetti squash. I don't know. I feel like I'm lost in my words today. But I'm going to have mine over spaghetti squash. He's going to have angel hair. So I'm making the sauce to go over both of those. And there we go. This is done. This is Rosa chicken spaghetti sauce. I'm not adding the spaghetti in here because I like to use spaghetti squash. The husband likes angel hair. So I make the sauce and then I just put it over our chosen pasta. Okay, so here's the spaghetti. Okay, for a minute I was wondering what was going on. And Rosa sauce, that's just a fancy name for Alfredo Marinara, okay? But the mixture is completely delicious. I love it. Okay, and this is my spaghetti squash. The brown that you're seeing in there is because I put oil. I cut it in half. I put oil on it, and then I rub seasonings in it, and then I turn it over, and then I bake it. I did bake it a little bit long, but that's okay. If you would like to see me make spaghetti squash, leave that in the comments below, okay? And I will get that on my list of makings. You know, and it's just, the spaghetti squash is just like spaghetti. Okay, I'm just waiting for it to cool down because I know that that sauce was steaming. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that Alfredo Marinara, as I call Rosa sauce. This is really good, 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 good. Okay, my friends. Leave in the comments below if you'd like to see me make spaghetti squash. Also, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.